I've painted these walls a million times. I've drove so far to see these lights. The only thing I wanted was with you. And I've packed my bags, yeah, I'll be fine. I've made some calls and said goodbye. She'll see me in a couple days. She'll wipe the smile off my face. You're not looking yourself today.